Guys, welcome and welcome back to Radel. In this video I'll be sharing with you a free website you can use to create these animated videos. As you can see these videos on the screen, this video have about 1.6 million views, and this one have about 6.1 million views. This one have about 11.1 million views. I'll be sharing with you a free website you can use to create these animated videos. So to start things first, let's quickly go to our browser. Just search for ChatGPT. If you've not signed up on this website, just kindly go and sign up on this website. It's as easy as that. So here is where we are going to generate our scripts that we'll be using to create these animated videos. Okay, so you are going to type in a prompt in this simple step to 5 simple jokes for our TikTok channel. Okay, let's type in 5 simple joke for my TikTok channel. So if it's a YouTube channel, you tell the ChatGPT that is a YouTube channel. Simple joke for my TikTok channel. Okay, this ChatGPT generates 3 for us. Let's just copy this. When you copy it, paste it in your notepad or your Google Docs. Okay, here you can edit it as you want. Number 1 says, why don't skeletons fight each other? The second one says, because they don't have guns. Okay, so we are going to use number 1 and number 2. Okay, so the next thing here is to turn this script to an audio. So we are going to go to ElevenLabs. Just go to any browser of your choice, search for ElevenLabs. When you search for ElevenLabs, click the first website you see. As you can see here, click get started for free. So this is how the interface is going to look like. So we are going to copy the first voice here. I want to make this video to be short. Okay, we are going to copy the first voice, the first text here, then you paste it in ElevenLabs. Okay, this is where you are going to select your voice. Any voice you want, you are going to select it here. So the first one, we are going to use a male voice, which is this Adam. Okay, just hit generate. So once you hit generate, the voice will generate. So repeat the same process. So once you are done generating your voice, I've already done this, I just want to show you how to do it. So once you are done generating your voice, you are going to name it. Okay, you are going to name your voice. Let me show you where Okay, this is the voice I generated from 11 labs, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, I just want to show you how to do that. So when you are done generating your voice in these 11 labs, when you are done, the next thing is to create the animated video. Okay, to do that, you are going to go to any browser of your choice, search for Adobe Express Animate from Audio. Okay, just click the first website you see. Here you click start now. So this is how the interface is going to look like once it's open. So if you click on this record, you can record your own voice if you want to record your own voice. So here you can see animate characters. These are the characters. You can choose any character you want here. You can choose any kind of character you want depending on what you are creating. Okay, so I'll be using this character here. You can change it if you want. You can change it. The voice I generated, one is a female voice and one is a male voice. So I'll be using this female voice here. So if you want to change the background, these are different types of background you can use here. These are different types of background. So this place is size. If you want to change it to square, to 9:16, if you are using it for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you can use 9:16. If you are using it for full YouTube channel, you can use this landscape and all of that stuff. Okay, so I will be using 9:16 because I want to use it for my TikTok. Okay, so this is background. I want to change this background to a custom background. I want to make it green so that I can remove it on CapCut. So this is it. So let me upload the voice method image will talk. Okay, so let me use the first one. As you can see, the voice is uploading. So now the voice is uploading. Let me check the second voice here. if it's a male or a female. Okay,
Sis, you were there?
okay, as you can see, this second voice is a male voice. Let me check the third voice. Okay, it's also a male voice. Let me check the okay, it's a female voice. So after animating the first one, this one, I will also animate the fourth voice, then change the character to a male. Okay, in this clip I want the two animation to laugh at the very end of the video. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Just play.
When was the last time you flossed?
Okay, this is the animation is talking now. So the next
When was the last time you flossed?
So the next thing you are going to do here is to download it. As you can see, it's downloading with the name I give it, number 1. So now we want to use the same character again. So you just click here, go back. When you click go back, just click on this replace voice. So when you click on this replace voice, click on browse, as you can see here. So I am going to upload the fourth voice, number 4. Okay, when you upload I'm using the same character, that's why I am uploading the fourth voice. So the next one, I'm going to change it to a male character so that I can use the male voice. Okay, let's just allow it to upload here. Okay, this is what we have here. So next is to click on download. Okay, we've already downloaded it. So the same process, just go back. So now we are going to change the character. Okay, just click on the character. I want to use a male. Okay, let me look for a male character here. Let me use this. No, I don't like this. Let me check this. Okay, this is looking good. Okay, let me use this. So I'm going to click on replace voice. Then browse. I'll be using, we have done number 1 and number 4, so I'll be using number 2. Okay, let's just allow it to upload. Just click download, then repeat the same process again. Go back, replace audio, browse, then the next one we are going to is number 3. just allow it to upload. So we are done animating our character. So the fourth step here is to get our background. You can go to Leonardo AI to get your background. You can go to Ideogram AI, but for the sake of this video I'll be using Meta AI. Okay, I've already generated the image. My prompt is generate in Nigeria classroom with no students. This is the background. So let me just type in another thing here. Generate a hospital with no patients. So let's see what the AI is going to give to us. Okay, this is what the AI gives to us. A hospital with no patient. I think I love this one, so I'm going to download it. Just click on this icon, then hit download. So that is it for generating image. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to CapCut. So you can use the desktop version of this CapCut. You can also use the online version of CapCut. So for the sake of this class, I'll be using the desktop version. You can also do this with your smartphone if you want. If you don't have a laptop, you can also do this with your smartphone. So let me quickly open my CapCut. So this is CapCut. So I'm going to upload the animated videos and our background. Okay, so let me just upload it at the same time. So this is it. Just drag and drop, or you can click this import and then import it. So the first thing we are going to do here is to drag our background to our timeline. Okay, so just drag your background, just tap on it, drag it to the timeline. So once you drag it to your timeline, the next thing is to change the aspect ratio. Click on this ratio here. When you click on ratio 9:16, just click on 9:16. Once you click on 9:16, just make the background to fill the whole screen. Okay, so this is it. This is the hospital background we just generated. So the next thing is to align our video in our timeline.
When was the last time you
So
flossed?
it's very important you name your video. Okay, so I'm going to align it according to the name I give it. This is number 1. Let me search for number 2. Okay, this is number 2. Then this is number 3. Okay, this is number 3, and this is number 4. Where is number 4? Okay, and this is number 4. Okay, so just zoom it here and make sure the whole clips is together. Okay, make sure the whole clip is together. So let's just edit it here. So we are going to, as you can see here, there is no voice. Just bring your cursor to this place and then hit split. You highlight it first and then hit split, remove it, drag it back. Do the same thing at the end of the video where there is no voice, split and then take it back. So you are going to repeat the same process. You are going to repeat the same process here so that your video will look good. Okay, just bring it closer. So you know, at the end of the video I told you guys that I want the both clip to laugh at the very end of the video. Okay, so this fourth clip I'm going to place it on top. Okay, I'm going to place it on top of the third clip. Okay, so this is it. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do is to remove this green screen so that we can see our beautiful background that we generated. So to do that, just click on the video. When you click on the video, just come to this tab here, click on video, click on remove BG. When you click on remove BG, just scroll down a little bit, you will see this chroma key. Just click on it, pick the color picker and then hit anywhere around the green screen. Just repeat it 2 times. The green screen is going to go out. So we are going to repeat the same process in all the clip. Okay, so this is it. Now you can see the first clip here. You can adjust it if you want. If it's not looking good, you can adjust it anyhow you want. So this is it. Let me adjust this to this place. Okay, so let me check the second one. So let me make it to face this side so that it will look realistic. Okay, now put it this place. Alright, so this is the both clip. I want both of them to be looking at each other while they are laughing, so I'm going to adjust this a little bit, then make the male animator to face the young lady. Okay, just take your time to animate this the way you want. Okay, just make it look realistic so you get more views and more subscribers. Okay, so this is it. You can make the young lady to be taller than the young boy a little bit. Okay, this is looking awesome. Now this is it. So the next thing you are going to do here is to add auto caption. If you are seeing that kind of video, those animated video, you will agree with me that they always have caption. So to add caption, what you are going to do is to click on text. Okay, when you click on text, click on auto caption, hit generate here. Okay, just allow it to process. So when it's done, it will automatically generate caption that will engage your viewers. Okay, let's just allow it to generate. Okay, it's done generating the caption. Now let's change the template. Okay, you can choose any template of your choice here, but let me use this one.
When was the last time you flossed?
Okay, let me use this one. Okay, you know, this is AI, so you can edit the templates here, you can edit the text here. When you play it, it's not giving you what you want. Maybe it doesn't write what you write on the script. You can adjust it here. Okay, so let's just play and see what we have here.
When was the last time you flossed?
Look at it. When was the last time you flossed? Okay,
Sis, you were there?
you can see that. Let's just click on this. Since you were there. Okay, it's writing the same thing. You know, I told you guys I want the both of them to laugh at the very end of the video. Okay, you can find out that both of them are laughing at the same time, and it's looking realistic here. Okay, when you check this place, you find out that the male character leave the screen before the young lady. Okay, so what we are going to do, you find out that the female character is longer than the male character in this timeline. So that is why it is called editing. You are going to adjust it. As you can see, let's just replay it. You find out that both of them leave the screen at the same time. Okay, so now we are going to cut the background, or you can write the end. You can just add a text. Go to text here, click on add text, drag this default text to this place. When you drag it to this place, come to this place, default text, just try your best to edit this. Just remove it and write the end. Okay, so once you are done, come to this font system. Just check for any font you want. When you are done, you can come down here, adjust it, change the color the way you want it to be. So let me use red. You can also make it to be bold. Okay, so if you want to leave it with the background saying the end, you can leave it with the background, but for this tutorial I don't want to leave it with the background. I want it to be with a black background. Okay, so this is it for creating animating video. So the next thing here, if you want to add effects, just go to effects, drag it. If you want to add transition, you can add transition. If you want to add animation, you can go ahead and do all of that, but for the sake of this video I don't want to add anything. So once you are done on CapCut, the next thing you are going to do is to export your video. Okay, just click on export. So once you are done here, this is where you can rename your video. You can rename your video. Let me rename it complete guide. Let me just click on it, complete guide. Okay, so from here, export. From here you can choose your folder you want it to enter in your system. Okay, so I want it to enter in my CapCut folder. Okay, this is it. Then hit export. So once it's done exporting, you can upload your video on any social media platform of your choice. Also, you can use this to grow your Facebook pages, Instagram page, TikTok, and all of that. And also you can also monetize this. Even with AI, you can monetize it. Let's just see what we have here. Let's play it.
When was the last time you flossed?
Sis, you were there?
When was the last time you flossed?
Sis, you were there?
Okay, look at it.
When
here.
was the last time you flossed?
Sis, you were there?
Okay, this is it for creating animated video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, turn on the bell icon for our future content. Bye for now.